Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your employee discount on Amazon. First, ensure you are eligible for the discount by checking your company's internal human resources portal or communications. Most companies provide a unique code or a specific link for employees. Once you have this information, you're ready to proceed with your shopping. This initial step is crucial for a smooth discount application process, saving you time and effort later on. To apply your discount, navigate to the Amazon website or app and add your desired items to your cart. During the checkout process, look for a field labeled gift cards and promotional codes or similar. Carefully enter your unique employee discount code into this box. Double-check the code for accuracy before clicking apply. The discount should then be reflected in your order total, typically reducing the price by a specific percentage, often between 10 and 20%. If your discount code isn't working, first verify that the items in your cart are eligible. Some discounts apply only to specific categories or products. Next, confirm the code hasn't expired and that you've entered it correctly, paying close attention to capitalization and special characters. If issues persist, consult your company's human resources department or the Amazon customer service team for assistance. They can often resolve problems within 24 to 48 hours. To maximize your savings, always review the terms and conditions associated with your employee discount. Some discounts can be combined with other Amazon promotions, while others cannot. Keep an eye on internal company announcements for new or updated discount offers, as these can change periodically. Planning your purchases around these offers can lead to significant savings, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars annually on eligible items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.